Today, I am going to do a small review about a cake that came out 2 years ago but is still trending now. So, here we are gonna take a Russian honey cake, the classic one. So, let's taste the Russian honey cake we'll all been hyping for. It's superb, irresistible, addictive. I can't stop eating this. I don't think I'll leave some for my parents. There are many different flavors like coffee, pista, and saffron. But according to me, the best one is the classic. Believe me, friends, it's a must try item.